Okay, anyways, so you ready to start? Quick lesson here. We start in your Rubik's Cube, we pick a color. I don't know, I like this color. Orange, yellow. Alright, angle it red. Okay, we got two reds here. So, right here, right here, right. So we got, point is out, blue, green. And here is blue, right? This one here has a blue. Okay, so we want to put this blue up top. Simple, eh? A distracting woman. Very distracting. Okay, so anyways, I just did a quick one here, 23. I figured this out because, as you can see, the blues here are together and the yellow here, right? This isn't on anything, so we're going to put the yellow here afterwards. But on this side here, we have nothing. And so what we know is this. Let's see. Green. Okay, so we got yellow here on this side. And 23 on this side. So meaning green is here. So I found a green down here. And we're going to put it there. Just now, like that. So we have a little this here, and then simply return to normal. And we want this one up here, these two. This one here. Grasshoppers, you see? Anyways, I'm not going to explain everything for you. Okay, as you notice here, the reds are top are perfect. These two aren't here, but the yellow here and the green here. Why this happened, we don't know. We said the green was here, so looks like this one is in the wrong position. So I'm not going to take this one out of the way right away. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the 23 and put it there first. As you see, it's right here. Now, unfortunately, it's facing downward. So it's another 33 seconds we don't want. And we put it right underneath here. Flip it around. Put it up. Okay. And perfect. Okay. There we go. Okay, this is a cool move here. Yellow at the bottom, top, as you can see. Alright, so we're going to take the two things on your back, like that, and rotate it. There we go. Quickly. Now, as you can see here, twist it around. Stays constant. I'm going to stop right there. Okay, now we're going to go into the corners here. 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 Which isn't done. Just has a green there. Orange is the bottom. And we're looking at these ones. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Okay. So, if you look, scan really quickly, you see us an orange, you see an orange. Alright, this one here, boom, you can get it. So we're going to take it, and we'll take it, boom, 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 on its color. We're going to this one, which is here. Alright, so we're going to the right now. Oh, yeah, okay, we're going to go away. And then, I'm not telling you the process. Like this, like that, like that, like that, and this there. Okay? Okay. This one here, same thing. Blue, 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 blue. Yeah, okay. Go away.
My brothers, you must know more about these visitors.
Alright. Orange. Green down there. Where are you going? going. We're there. Okay. Correct. Incorrect. Incorrect. So, because these two are correct, we want to mess them up. So we're gonna get these two here. This is the twist here, if you're watching. That. Oh, I wasn't paying attention to myself. Yeah, and then we go back. And now what we have here is one correct one and 2, 3 incorrect ones. So we stay on the correct one. Rope, get around. First try, nothing. So you gotta be persistent. Second try. And we did this again. So we gotta start here again. And now none of them are right. And Earth to Waldo, I just realized these two aren't on their right cube. So there we go. And now we have these two in the right cube, but these two are in the wrong turn sequence. So we're gonna quickly make sure they look like they're wrong. Now everything looks proper. Let's do it. Alright, so corners are now done. We like this one down here, so we're gonna start here. Yeah, okay, watch. This is slow-mo motion for you. Uh-oh. Now, what we just realized here is that alright. Kinda screwed the Louis down one, but we recovered. So we want this black. This green down here if we can. Alright, yellow's going, this yellow right here, it's going down here. Alright, this is the cool mode here. Perfect. Okay. So we're going to start on this piece right here. And everything is flipped properly. And I'm going right.